How to find out which app is causing pop-up ads on Android. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now for this, first of all, launch the Google Play Store application on your device and make sure you are logged into your account. As you do that, you can simply tap on the profile icon at the top right corner of the screen. As you select on a profile icon, tap on the option of Play Protect over here. So select on Play Protect. You get the options over here on Play Protect. So what you simply need to do is tap on the scan option. So when you scan, it will start scanning, and if there any app that pops up over here, it will be evident that that particular app is causing pop-up ads on Android. And if it does not show anything after scanning, then you will have to find, or you have to know, that there are no such app that is causing pop-up ads on Android. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.